Hey guys, my name is Abha and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about boosting brain power. So let's get started. The first secret of extra brain power is to use your brain more. The more you use, the more you get. This is the big secret of increasing brain power. Everything you think and do is recorded by your brain cells called neurons by forming a neuronal network. When a strong network of neurons is created, you learn better and remember more. How do you create a strong network of neurons? That is by repetition. When you revise information or repeatedly practice some action, a strong network of neurons is automatically created in your brain. So, to learn anything fast and remember better, more practice or revision is required. In fact, this is like developing muscles. The more you lift weight, the more you develop muscles. If you stop lifting weight, the muscles become weak. Similarly, if you stop revising, you start forgetting. Your brain has awesome power to help create whatever you want if you use. The human brain created all the wonderful things you can see around yourself, from a simple pencil to a spaceship. Your brain too can create such wonders if you allow it to do so. So forget all I can't do this limitations. Have strong desire to score higher and become a successful student. Here are some powerful features of your brain. You will never be short of brain power to achieve whatever you want. Your brain is designed to increase capacity on demand, so demand more to get more. Research has shown that the human brain can grow and expand even in old age. When aged people learn new things, their brain forms new connections. So keep learning to stay young. Use emotions to switch on more brain power and make learning and remembering easy. When you do something with love, your brain is more stimulated, your neurons get more excited and interact with thousands of other neurons to help you think and act better. As a result, mental efficiency and concentration power increases, and you find you can do that work more easily. Not only this, you can have more power to overcome any difficulties that may arise while doing the work you love. But when you hate what you do, your brain becomes sluggish. Your neurons are less excited and interact less with other neurons. So the work you hate becomes more difficult and you come up with excuses for not doing it. This is why students with a strong desire to score high usually succeed. Their sheer love to succeed stimulates the brain strongly. So such students find studying easier and have better retention power. What's more, such students can study happily for hours. But students who hate studying face more problems and end up with poor performance. It is the emotion at work against you or for you. List all benefits of learning your subject. More interest is equals to more brain activity and better learning. If you want more success in studies, just love your studies. You love will stimulate the brain strongly and you will start learning the topics more easily. But how do you love your subjects? The secret. Think all about the small and big benefits of learning every subject and make a list of this. Think about how each subject helps you day to day life, what they teach you about the world, what knowledge or skills they impart to succeed in your career. Such thoughts will help you find more benefits of studying these subjects. The list of benefits will give you reasons to love your subjects and make you aware of how each subject is important for your success. Write this list in a diary, then read it at least once a week. It will increase your interest in studying. Make changes in your brain and personality to develop success in ensuing habits by using two commands, ignore and attention. Paying attention to qualities you want to make stronger and ignore those you want to make weaker. Each time we use a habit or pay attention to it, it grows stronger in your brain. Attention activities activates the neurons network on which that habit or quality is already recorded, and the new network grows stronger as additional connections are formed. This is why revision helps in learning. Ignoring things does the opposite. If you stop revising lessons, you forget them. If you stop using a bad habit, it gets weaker. This is because ignoring a skill weakens the neuronal network on which it has been recorded. How do you make practical use of these commands? For example, if you want to get rid of the bad habit of watching TV for long hours, decide to ignore TV and simultaneously pay attention to studies or learning some useful activities or skills. So when the TV serial begins, ignore it and use this time to pay attention to studies or another useful activity. In this way, use these commands to get rid all the bad habits that take you away from your goal. To make life and success easier, take better care of your brain. By taking better care of your brain and learning to use its power correctly, you can enjoy many benefits like learning anything faster, scoring high in exams, securing the job you love, being healthy and energetic, and so on. A healthy brain helps you attain these benefits more easily. To keep the brain healthy all your life, follow these steps. Give your brain more oxygen. It is free. Just take 5 to 6 deep breaths every hour. Do some physical exercise at least for 30 minutes every day. Never blame your brain if you don't get the results you want. Instead, keep saying, I have a powerful brain. I can achieve whatever I want by making correct use of my ultimate brain power. Such thinking helps make maximum use of your brain power. Do mental exercises to keep your brain sharp. Solve puzzles or crosswords, read good books, meditate for 15 to 20 minutes, etc. Eat a balanced diet, drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, relax often, and sleep for 6 to 8 hours daily. So, if this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to A Successful Life for more updates. Thank you, and meet you in our next video.